I just thought I'd do a quick video. I got my this is a stage 5 rebuild kit I got on eBay from Cyclone Transmissions. I got the monster sun shell off them too. This is like, I guess, one of the most complete kits available. Yeah, I guess they're on the Discovery Channel at some point. Yeah. I do believe that's what went wrong on my original transmission. I haven't got it apart yet, but well, I don't have the seal out of there, but yeah, it was like $330 for the kit. And I took Thursday off coming up here so I can start putting it in. It's updated. I don't know if I'm going to put that stuff in. Maybe. But we'll see. Thursday. Seems so far away. My manual didn't really do a good job of showing where those extra 2 ball bearings came from. And on the, I think this is supposed to pull right, that piston's supposed to pull right out of there from a video I saw, but it's not moving. I'm wondering if that's the problem the whole time and not the seal. I see a accumulator. I haven't tried really oh, here's some pliers. I really don't want to damage anything. Oh, that's coming out. Oh yeah, there we go. But yeah, I might do a couple videos after I pull some stuff apart and see what if anything's wrong, what's wrong. I don't believe I got any pump stuff, so other than the gasket and the seal, but I don't want to do anything beyond the original other than the stage 5 crap. But yeah, we'll see later.